G'day old mates, welcome back to the channel. As promised, I'm out on the Duke today and what a fantastic day it is. We're going to hit Gorge Road and just show you around this place. So basically we're about 20 minutes from the city of Adelaide in South Australia. And what a fantastic day we've got. So I hope you enjoy this ride. I'm not a fan of this road, but it is a magnificent motorbike road and we're on a magnificent Duke today, so let's get to it. I hope you enjoy it. Cheers. So this is the start of the famous Gorge Road in Adelaide, South Australia, and haven't we got a magnificent day. Clear skies, fantastic. So this is about 20 minutes of Adelaide, and again it's just another way out into the foothills of Adelaide, into the Adelaide Hills and back out to beyond. So sit back and enjoy the ride. I hope it's interesting for you. It really is a magnificent road. I never liked doing this road back in the day. I always found it a bit creepy. There's been lots of accidents through here. To take us up to Cuddly Creek Cafe. Don't really know this road. Those ripples, geez, that needs redoing. Not a fan, but lots of people are, and it is a mecca for bike riders. The surface is just terrible, and then at the same time you've also got the odd rock slide, and there's usually debris all over the road, but at least it's dry today. I think there's a river on the left which has actually got a little tiny bit of water in it. It's summer here, remember, so we don't have a lot of running water. Could be the River Torrens perhaps, and that feeds straight through to the city of Adelaide. But in the winter there's a fair bit of water that comes through here. As you can tell, there's a lot of slow corners. But I think it gradually opens up. I don't come down here a lot. But as you can see how nice this road is for bike riders. So there's a wildlife park up here as well. It's pretty good, I've been told. I haven't been there for a long time. But the Gorge Wildlife Park is on Gorge Road. And here it is here. Fantastic, thank you. So right around the corner here is the start or the finish of the Mad Minute. So this is still Gorge Road, and we're about to just go past the Cuddly Creek Cafe. Couple of triumphs there. We'll continue on the Gorge Road Scenic Drive. And that, old mates, is Gorge Road from the start to the finish. Hope you enjoyed it. Gorge Road Scenic Drive. Caught up to a truck. Bugger. Alright, old mates, the final push home. Let's watch this pelican. We're right at the reservoir, the Chain of Ponds area. There he goes. Aston Martin. There you go. Hey. Alright, back on Gorge Road. Sticking a camera on your chin really weighs down the helmet. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I guess it's a little bit bulky. So guys, that was Gorge Road. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm on my way home now. It's been a good ride. I have used a different couple more point of views. We'll see what the next road entails. I hope you enjoyed the Duke. It's different than the adventure bike, that's for sure, but I don't ride it enough, but I just love it. It's a fantastic bike, nimble. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe. I hope to make the content, as I keep saying, better and better. Whether this is better, I'm not sure. You'll be the judge of that, but I enjoy doing it. It's all a learning curve, but until next time, keep it going. Cheers guys, catch you later.